Well, hello there. It's been quite some time. Usually I record these videos in bulk now because it makes it easier for me instead of having to record one video and then like 2 weeks later have to record another one, regardless. So we're here with more simple teardowns today, as well as a GPU introduction, which I spent a lot of time on. Very excited. I'm going to be doing a test because it seems like Quadros do very well on my channel for some weird reason. So we're going to do a lot of Quadro teardowns today. This is going to be extremely simple teardown. We're going to start off with this Quadro NVS 420. It's just basically, I think it's an OEM HP model, if I recall. But anyways, moving on to it, you will need a little tiny bit kit like this. Need one of those, small screwdriver, Phillips head of course, some small tweezers, and just big one in case. So we're going to start with the graphics card here. What I would say to do first is this fan, your fan connector for this one is going to be right here. I would say take that off. You can take that off with the tweezers, which I'm going to do, and be very gentle. And that's out. Alright. Then we will move on to the back and take out all of these screws with just a small Phillips head. What the heck? That's only mildly concerning. I think one of my pins came out. Whatever. Moving on. So, do this. These are all spring-loaded. Be aware of that. So, I should probably be doing them in a crosswise pattern. I'm not. I'm sort of just speeding through at the moment. I have a lot of teardowns planned for today. I'm really excited for the GPU introduction. Honestly, I worked a long time on that one. Oop. My bad. And that just comes off like that. I have never seen that before. Huh. I've never seen 3 dies. Interesting. Alright, moving on. There's really nothing else to tear down unless you want to take off this plate here, which is going to involve, it's going to be really tedious. There's really no need because you can blow out this type of cooler quite easily. But if you need to take apart this, you can take it off with these screws right here, and it should just pop off from this fan right here. You can see there's a little slit. Just be careful because you have your cable routed here. You're going to have to unroute that. Setting that off to the side, and that very concerning pin, there is a different kind of connector right here. And what you will need is just a little flathead. Nothing special. Just need a small flathead. Take it. I believe there's also another way to do this, but I don't. You probably want a bigger flathead than this, honestly. Yeah, this is too small. I would recommend something bigger. And then there's one final screw right here. And that, you can actually use the big one. This one is a little bit comedically big, in my opinion. There you go. Set those off to the side, and that's a fully torn down. You can even take these off right here. These are where your heat pads are at for your chips here. So that one there, and then this one there. And these heat pads are fine, they don't need replacing. And that's it. That's all you really needed to know about this this teardown. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is a super simple one.